Hey friends, it's Alicia, the A in Mad for Rehab. Some of you may know me, some of you may not. I am the A in the Mad. Mad stands for Mom, Alicia, Dad. We started this little business several years ago, and anyway, it just continues to grow. And today I wanted to hop on and show you a suitcase that I'm working on. It's really, really cute. It started out it was brown, really kind of ugly, and I painted it in farmhouse paint. The color is called Paradise. To me, it reminds me of Tiffany blue. I really, really love that color. And I'm going to use a stencil. It's by Redesign with Prima. I'm going to attach the stencil, and I'm going to use this product by Farmhouse Paint called Crystal Fusion. This is an amazing product. It's my first time using it. There's like little beads inside. I just thought when it dries, it'll dry kind of clear and white. But the first thing I'm going to do is just tape this stencil on here on the sides so I do not... I don't want it to lift. If it lifts, then I'm going to have a mess. So you just take some painter's tape. That's typically what I use. Just run it down the edges of the side. Just like that. I'm going to put some across the top too, simply because I don't want to overlap the crystals onto the edges of my suitcase. There we go. I don't know about where you guys are from, but I live in Harrisburg, and they were giving rain today, and I really wanted to go yard selling, so I got up, went to a few yard sales, and you can tell by looking at my hair because it's just one big frizzy mess now, but I'll survive. Okay, that ought to work. So you can kind of see I've just got it taped down here pretty well. Like I said, this product, again, is by Farmhouse Paint. It's called Crystal Fusion. It's going to give me a 3D-like effect when I'm finished with this. So this is a spatula. It's rubber. I find that they work the best when applying any kind of erased stencil product. I know it's probably hard to see. I'll raise it up in a minute and give you a better view. I tried this on just something really small earlier to make sure that I would be able to work with it, and I think it's going to turn out just amazing. Obviously, the more you use, the more stencil, the more the raised stencil will be. But you don't need to use a ton because you can see the little crystals that's in it will just go right into the areas of the stencil that are cut out. So when I lift it, it should just be absolutely beautiful. I don't know if any of you have ever tried Farmhouse Paint. It is amazing, and they just came out with 2 new colors in their Evolution line. A midnight blue and a green, something ivy. I cannot remember the name of it. Shame on me, but 2 great colors. I've just ordered them, so I'm looking forward to using them on something coming up. trying to get all the way over to the edges as best I can. I'm trying to hold this down because the suitcase, where it has like a little ridge around it, it's not completely flat back here, and I don't want these little crystals to seep through because then it'll make the stencil just look terrible. That is the last thing I want. You could probably apply this with several different things, like you know, those metal spatulas if you don't have these rubber ones, but I just find these rubber ones work the best. I've got some of the metal kind, but they tend to, I don't know, they're just not flexible like these are. So that's why I tend to stay with the ones that are kind of this rubber spatula-like. I'm really going to try to hold this down if I can. Oh, there's a big, that must have gotten dried out when I opened it because it should not be like that. It's kind of a shame. I ordered this a while back and this is the first time I've ever used it. I definitely think it's a product I will use more now that I've actually tried it. I'm hoping this back side will be okay. Like I said, it's very hard, and I didn't want to cut this stencil because it's so big and pretty. And I've used it on multiple things over the years. I thought it would be perfect on this little suitcase. Give it a little update. All right. I don't know if you can see this or not, but it's pretty cool. I really wish that I could show you the, you can kind of hear. Sounds like sand or grit, but they're like little beads. It's really, really beautiful. Let's get this tape off here. See what we got. I put 2 coats of the farmhouse paint on this little suitcase prior and let it dry. Oh my goodness. You guys, it's beautiful. Look how pretty that is. It turned out just magnificent. Of course, after it dries, I will do the other side. But isn't that cute? I'm so excited. Anyway, this piece will be available in our either X32 or our X50 space at Main Street Antiques in Mooresville. I'm hoping to start doing some classes there soon. Anyway, if you're watching this video or if you're watching it on replay, please let me know or comment. I would love to hear your thoughts. Like I said, this product is called Crystal Fusion by Farmhouse Paint. I'll put a link in there if you ever want to try it for yourself. And thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.